Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So till now we have designed these 4 logos, right? And now in this project we are going to design another logo. Let's see how we can do that. So let's create a new document. Now we will create 2 ellipses. Say for example it is black. Now let's select the selection tool and alt drag it and just move it around here. Now select these two, drag this pathfinder panel here and let's click on intersect and we have got this shape. Let's rotate it just like this. Yup. Okay. Now alt drag it, shrink it, rotate it just like this, make it a little bigger. Now make sure that the selection tool is selected, alt drag it, move it here, rotate and just rotate it. Well, we will use the right click method. Let's click on rotate and see. Yup, just make it like this. And after you are satisfied, click on OK. That's it. If you want, make these a little thinner. So what I will do, I will just click, go to object, let's expand. Okay. And now I will just reduce it a little bit. I'm just reducing its thickness. Okay. And these are kind of fine. Yup. Now it is looking perfect, right? Let's work with only this one and later we can copy that. Alt drag it here and right click. Let's rotate it. Yup. Click on OK and just move it closer. Move it up a little bit. Now let's change the colors of these one by one. I'm thinking of rotating it a bit more. Let's zoom in to work more efficiently. Well, one thing that I would like to say, I am not rotating or reflecting this the perfect manner. Yes, this is the reflect or the rotate tool and we will see but later on. But currently what I am trying to teach you is that we can design these kind of stuffs and we can create really cool shapes using the methods that we have learned till now. Yes friend. Okay, so let's move on. Now select this one and let's make its color this one. Select it, let's make its color this one and select it, let's make it this one. Well, let's zoom out. Well, let's select, oops, let's come here, select a bit more darker. Yeah, this one is looking nice. And this one, let's say this one. What do you think? Yeah, can it be more darker? Yeah. And this one. Okay, so that's it. Now let's shrink it a little bit. See this logo. It's really cool, isn't it? Now using the type tool, let's write here insurance, some insurance company logo. Let's increase its size to about 60 pixel. Yup. And font, let's make it stencil. So that's it, guys. So we have designed these 4 logos, and also we have designed this logo. Well, let's place it there only. I think it will look lot nicer, isn't it? And this is our last logo, insurance logo. I think this one is a bit longer. Yup. Yup, yup, yup. Okay, so that's it, guys. I mean, I'm just changing this shape just to make it look nicer here. So that's it, guys. Please let me know that how you are liking this course, and feel free to suggest anything. And another thing that I always try to emphasize, that is practice and practice. And another thing which I emphasize is, if you have an issue understanding some concept or understanding something, anything, feel free to convey. I am always here to help you out. And also I am doing everything step by step. I am showing you everything, each little trick and tip, everything I am sharing with you. So don't worry, just keep yourself calm, be patient. We are going to explore really cool stuffs. So that's it, guys. Here I am concluding this lecture and also this project. In our next lecture, we will take a look at Shape Builder tool, which is kind of similar to Pathfinder tool, but still we are going to explore that. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.